How can companies transform a low trust culture into a high trust culture? And when and how should they begin?
So you're not going to like this first part of it, but I think it may mean you have to fire some people. I mean, that's the most powerful way to change a culture, is to remove the violators of culture. And so if you have some people that really just don't get it or won't get it or are low trust people, you may need to remove them. And that is really a powerful statement. Now, there are more subtle ways to do it. And I think it starts with you. If you're the leader, I think you have to then have an open door policy. You have to listen to people. You have to show respect to every person. You cannot be dismissive of the newest receptionist. You get to know who they are. You spend enough time with them. You ask about their children. It takes only a few moments to spend a little bit of extra time with people, and you build it up again slowly. But I think you probably have to get rid of the violators.